President Emerson Mnangagwa and Attorney General Virginia Mabiza have come under fire for their clumsy and shady handling of the attempted APAC sale of state-owned People's Own Saving Bank POSB. Zandabna mashoko onze ayo mtikamdi wenyika panguwa inoi wa under fire pamusoro pechitiko ichi ayo chiku POSB makunga akatendera pa social media chinzi avakomana vafunga kuda kutengesa bhangi iri. Zandabna mashoko mudanyora panapa ndodwa subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipira muzvizere munyuzi wakusa mudanyora chiti the deal involves selling a 70% stake in POSB, which is now run under Sovereign Wealth Entity Mutapa Investment Fund, to a shadowy foreign outfit named Yobru Investment Group HIG, fronted by pro-ZANU-PF cleric Moses Brown Gwedegwe for US 70 million, with government retaining a 10% stake and private individuals holding the remaining 20%. The controversy surrounding this deal stems from concerns about the legitimacy and credibility of HIG, which has been described as a consortium of international scammers, government officials and private sector executives say the deal lacks transparency and that proper due diligence was not done. In quotes, it is clear those are scammers. How can a president who calls himself a lawyer and a whole attorney general fall for such an obvious scam? A Minister of Finance senior official said. Furthermore, the involvement Mabiza has raised eyebrows as she has been accused of acting as Mnangagwa's legal conduit to push through the deal while failing to perform her proper duties as government legal advisor. Thomas Kwanobuda Shinoko Panapa, critics achuya ayo achikomenda pamusoro pechitiko zvinzi aiwa vakomana ava this deal harina kana transparency, hapana kana chokwadi chinobuda zvokuti vanhu vanyatso kunzwisisa kuti zvinhu zviri kuitiwa aiwa ku POSB aiwa zvinhu zviri kuitwa nomazvo here. Vodzana mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Wabvira comment section medu mutidze mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, point it on the bell icon.